Well, hello everyone. Something a little bit different today. So very bizarrely, I am in the UK in a holiday park, which is known as the Bermuda Holiday Park. I booked this accommodation on booking.com because I'm here just up the road for another event, and that event accommodation was sold out. So I've come to this place. I'm going to show you it. I'm going to go over everything. It was super cheap to stay here. It's about £80 a night, and you can fit really a family of about 5 people in here. So let's flip the camera and show you, and I'm going to also show you the other holiday park across the way, which is called Richardson's Hemsby. Very modern, very amazing. It's got hot tubs and you name it. This one is all right, you know, I'm quite happy-ish. Entered this door, which is just a bog standard door, through a booking system that they tell you about outside. And in we come straight into the living area, which has got what looks like lovely comfy sofas. A nice little rug there. I think this is not pet friendly, this one. But yeah, there's a table and chairs there if you want to sit at the table and chairs. I do normally do that for eating, but I'm probably not going to bother because I'm only here for 2 nights. A nice fruit bowl there, look at that. But yeah, plenty of space, and it is a chalet type accommodation. So there's a fire there if you need one, and obviously a big telly. And in the kitchen, let's come into the kitchen. How impressive is this, right? So there's a big old fridge freezer there, and then you've got literally everything there that you could need. So there's a microwave, there's a toaster. They have left us some bits to do the washing up, which I'm really pleased about. So that's quite handy. And it's all electric. I was trying to find out if it was gas or not. That's electric. It's actually quite cool in here as well right now. Water heater. Oh, let's get that on. I am going to need to wash. Now, something that I didn't find out about until recently, which is a little bit annoying, is that I do actually need to go and get some electric from somewhere or other. So I'm a bit frustrated about that because I don't actually know where I get the electric from, but hey, or even how to do it. But there we go. So there's some bits and bobs there that you can use. They said if you use like the tea and coffee and stuff, please replace them. But yeah, nice kitchen. Everything there that you could want. And then let's go into the bathroom next, because that's also quite impressive. So they've got this wipe down stuff on the walls. I've had this before at some of the places that I stayed at in the UK. And it's quite glittery. Nice flooring there, and a big double shower, which looks like an electric. It's an electric shower. So will I need the water heater? Good question. Probably not. But anyway, so got that, and then there's one of those if you're gonna slip. And then we've got this nice area. It's me in the mirror. Hello. We've got this nice area there with the loo and everything there that you could need. A little bit squishy. It's not obviously very accessible if you are in a wheelchair or anything like that. Not that they claimed it was. And then here's one of the bedrooms. It's actually got air conditioning. So that's quite impressive. So double bed there, and then obviously a bunk bed up the top there. Nice little cabinet. Decent carpet. It all looks very clean, which is great. Yeah, air conditioning unit. How about that? And then there's a telly in this room as well. In this cupboard, you've got, I thought this was really cute. Look, because we're right on a beautiful beach, which actually, probably going to go there in the morning and film that. Buckets and spades for the kids, or me, might actually take that. There is a cot for babies and a high chair there already. It looks like there's a spare pillow as well. So that's good. And a big full-length mirror. And then we've got this room here, which I'm probably going to sleep here. I'm just going to check out the mattresses and see, but yeah, that's pretty cool. So I'm probably going to stay here. And then there's something there to do with the electric, I don't know. Big double mirror there, somewhere to hang your things, and a fan if you need it, and a thing for the kids or the dogs if you want to open the door. Oh, it's not pet friendly, I said. And then another big telly here, and more air conditioning units, which I'll need to go and get some electricity if I want to use them. But yeah, so I'm going to get my stuff in now and get settled. Quite happy about being here. I think it's going to look like it'd be a nice enough stay. Very quiet outside. Literally so peaceful. Let me just show you. Here we go. So I don't think there's anybody living here. It doesn't look like one of those sorts of holiday parks where you can live. You have a whole big story about holiday parks and me and my past, because I've worked on them for many years, and I used to think the chalets were just the poshest ones. I used to think, oh, as staff members, am I going to get one of those chalets? But no. If you've liked this video and you found it helpful, I know some of you come and look at my ponting stuff and my buttling stuff and what have you, but generally don't do the UK, but I'm probably probably going to be up for doing a little bit more. So if you liked it, do let me know in the comments below, and feel free to share this video. If you're looking for somewhere to stay, we're right near the Norfolk Broads, and it was, yeah, like I say, £80 a night, but you've got to put your electricity on a meter or something, I don't know, as well as that. So bear that in mind. There's a little extra cost, but they said it won't cost much. There we go. That's it from me. I will check in with you in the next video. Bye for now.